Okay, on to the next lesson. Let's advance your knowledge here. So, we work in Spanish can be nosotros trabajamos or nosotras trabajamos. Remember, nosotros is a group of people. It can be all males or mixed group, males and females. And nosotras traditionally has been just a group of females, or it could be now a group of mostly females and maybe a few males. So you have a choice of nosotros or nosotras for we in Spanish. Now most speakers drop the nosotros or the nosotras and simply say trabajamos because the ending of the verb tells you that the subject is nosotros or nosotras. So we work, trabajamos. We work, trabajamos. Trabajamos. Stress on the ha. Trabajamos. Trabajamos. We work. Do we work? If you want to ask a question, trabajamos. This would be trabajamos nosotros, but again, the nosotros is not necessary, so just trabajamos with the right intonation. Trabajamos. Do we work? Do we work? Trabajamos. Okay, so now the fun part. Let's put it all together. So you know trabajamos is we work. I've changed up the vocabulary a little bit in this lesson. So we work today would be trabajamos hoy. We work tomorrow. Trabajamos mañana. We work all day. Trabajamos todo el día. We work every day. Trabajamos todos los días. We work this weekend. Trabajamos este fin de semana. We work too much. Trabajamos demasiado. We work a little bit. Trabajamos un poco. And we always work. Trabajamos siempre. If you want to ask the question, do we work today? Trabajamos hoy. Do we work tomorrow? Trabajamos mañana. Do we work all day? Trabajamos todo el día. Do we work every day? Trabajamos todos los días. Do we work this weekend? Trabajamos este fin de semana. Do we work too much? Trabajamos demasiado. Do we work a little bit? Trabajamos un poco. Do we always work? Trabajamos siempre. Alright, well that's it. Remember to continue on to the next lesson. Click on the video that appears here on your screen. Nos vemos.